What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you clicking on the video. Today we're going to be working on setting my 20, 25, and 30 yard pin. So as you know, I've been competing in ASA tournaments and I've been having a lot of trouble with those 25, 26, 24 yard shots due to me only having a 20 and 30 yard pin set up. So today we're going to be working on trying to get a 20, 25, and 30 yard pin set up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, guys, as always, we have our trusty Bowtech SS34 and some Black Eagle Zombie Slayer, Black Eagle Talon arrows. All a Talon is just a rebranded Zombie Slayer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and sling a shot at 25 yards using our 30 yard pin, see how far we need to move it. All right, there's our first arrow, definitely hitting high. We're aiming at that center dot. Let's go ahead and sling another one just so we can make sure we got it verified. All right, there's two. Let's go ahead and make an adjustment, see if we can't get this dialed in at 25. All right, so if you did not know, this is how you're going to be adjusting your sight on a fixed pin sight. This is a BlackGold Rush 5-pin. So we're going to take our handy dandy Allen keys here. We got to remember which one is the correct size. I think it's the one down from here. There we go. And because we're hitting high, we're going to move our pin up. You always want to chase your arrows. All right. I always make small adjustments so that way I can make sure I don't overshoot it. I'd rather make multiple small adjustments than I guess a whole bunch of big adjustments and end up getting my sight all way off. If I can make small adjustments, I feel like I can be able to hit it hit where I need to be hitting a lot sooner and a lot quicker. All right, after that adjustment, we're going to see where we're hitting. We're going to sling two more arrows down from 25 yards at using our what used to be our 30 yard pin. So here we go, arrow number one. Make sure we're back at our line. Still hitting high. Make sure that wasn't me. We'll sling two more. Like I said, we didn't make very big adjustments. We just barely moved it up.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
All right, yep, definitely need to go down some more. Y'all give me 1 second. I'll adjust this sight and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back after another adjustment with our sight. We got her just pushed up just about as far as that I would like to take it before my pins start touching. So let's go ahead and send it and see if we can make this work. Money. Send another one just to be sure. Make sure it wasn't look. That looks beautiful. All right, let's try to get this 30 pin set. All right, guys, just because I know this, my third pin is set at 40 yards from during deer hunting season. So I'm sure we're gonna be hitting super high. So we're gonna aim at that bottom circle down there, just to make sure we don't sling an arrow into the woods. We may still do it. Can't even see that from all the way down here. I think we're hitting high and to the right, which the to the right part is it's all yours truly. Sling one more. All right, so we're definitely hitting high. Let's go ahead and get that adjusted. As you can see, we got our handy dandy Allen keys out. I'm going to adjust this third pin, so 1, 2, and 3, and definitely move it up some. We're probably going to make one big adjustment here, because I kind of have an idea where I need it to be based off of our 30 pin from earlier. All right, let's try that out. All right, back at our 30-yard pin, we still have our 2 arrows sticking down there in the target, trying to give me a little bit of a reference. We got our old 40 pin adjusted to what I'm hoping is 30 yards on the dot. Let's go ahead and sling one. All right, so we were aiming center that time, still shot high. So we're probably gonna need to make another adjustment and bring it up some more. Sling our last arrow. All right, that one hit a little bit lower, so I'm assuming that first arrow we slung was a little bit of my error. Let's go ahead and grab the arrows and we'll make another adjustment to this. All right, we got our new 30 pin adjusted. Sling some arrows down there to see if we didn't hit it right on the dot this time. Looking pretty good. Looks like I slung it a little bit to the right, but that's all me, because we ain't messing with our lefts and rights. Looking like we're doing money. Let's go ahead and sling these last 2 arrows just for funsies. Looking good, looking good. Oh yeah, that went a little high, but I'm still super happy with that. We're gonna definitely be giving that a try when we go down to Fort Benning for the next ASA Pro-Am. Y'all make sure to stay tuned for that video. That's gonna be, today's Monday, so we got about 2 weeks until I go to that event. I hope y'all enjoyed, and if you have any questions on how to set your sight or anything like that, make sure you let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and I hope to see y'all next time.